should live your life to the fullest, because if you live your life to the fullest, you can experience everything in life. And failure often happen to the people because a lot of people give up because they think they're failure. Hi guys, good evening. This is Mickey May, episode 1 of Mickey Says. A reason why you should never give up, because there's a lot of reason why you should never give up. You should live your life to the fullest, because if you live your life to the fullest, you can experience everything in life. And struggles is real. And failure often happen to the people. A lot of people give up because they think they're failure. But that failure makes you strong, a challenger in life. What I mean is, if you face your challenge, and I know if you're facing a challenge, there will be a lot of struggles, there will be a lot of holdback, failures, and a lot of pain, sadness, loneliness, everything. That's why challenge is a big impact in our lives. Growth happens through difficulty. Lahat naman ng tao nahihirapan sa buhay. Sino bang hindi? Kasi marami tayong struggle sa buhay na hinaharap. Hindi lang sa pamilya, hindi lang sa love life, pero sa sarili mo. Pero kung titingnan nyo guys, pag nasaktan ka at pag nahirapan ka, hindi ba yun yung way na pag-grow mo? Kasi hindi ka mag-grow kung hindi ka masasaktan, hindi ka mag-grow kung hindi ka mahihirapan. Kailangan mong matuto at kailangan mong lumaban. Huwag kang susuko dahil sa failure or dahil sa tingin mo sa sarili mo walang nangyayari sa'yo. No, don't. Ako na nagsasabi sa'yo, don't ever give up. Because if you give up, it means you lost and the challenges win. Ayun, be a warrior in your life. Giving yourself another chance can change everything. Kung nagkamali ka, kung nadapa ka, bumangon ka lang. Kung nasa lowest point ka ng buhay mo at hirap ka, don't stuck yourself at that situation. Try it again. Give yourself another chance. Don't blame yourself. Always forgive yourself. If you're depressed, or if you're lonely, if you're stressed, or whatever you're feeling, talk to someone. Because talking to someone isn't bad. Pero, dapat mamimili ka ng kakausapin mo. Kasi not all the people are trustworthy. Just give yourself another chance. Get up, lift up, make progress, struggle, and have power. Kasi hindi tayo magkakaroon ng progress pag wala tayong struggle. And if we have struggle, we will have a power because that power is our strength. Every expert wants a beginner. Hindi naman tayong pinanganak na expert eh. Hindi naman tayong pinanganak na magaling na agad tayo eh. Lahat ng expert sa mundo, nagsisimula yun sa maliit, sa pinakamaliit. Kasi yun naman talaga yung buhay eh. Nagsisimula ka agad sa maliit. Huwag kang mainip kung hanggang diyan ka pa lang. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka pa umaangat kasi stepping stone mo yung pag-angat. Paano ka aangat? Patient. Accept failures. Accept mistake. Take the stepping stone slowly but surely. Kung gusto mo, mabilisan pero ang pangit naman ng resulta, di ba? Kaya kung ako sa'yo, kung may pangarap ka, paghirapan mo, lahat ng tao sa mundo, lahat ng successful na tao sa mundo, nagsimula yan sa maliit. Huwag kang susuko, kaya natin to. Huwag kang susuko dahil may nag-hold back sa'yo. Ano nag-hold back? Fear. Ano pa? Anxiety. Ano pa? Depression. Loneliness. Judgment. Huwag kang matakot sa judgment. Lahat ng tao may judgment. In every flaws, in every mistakes, in every failures. And those things make it as your strength. So guys, thank you for listening to this Mickey Says Podcast 01. This is my podcast for this evening and goodbye. See you next video. Bye!